Immediately detained? That could be illegal. Under the Habeas Corpus Act, immediate detention is basically not allowed. The video remains. In the station attendant's office, make a calm request for confirmation on the spot. Testimonials from people around you. Super important. A single word from a third party can make the difference between life and death. Anyway, contact a lawyer as soon as possible. The key to preventing a wrong arrest is first response matters. I would appreciate your feedback in the comments. If you like, please subscribe to our channel.